I'm gonna eat pizza again. It's like I just ate pizza 3 in a row. 3 times in a row. Mm-mm-mm. If y'all like them, it's like them thumbs up. And y'all like the video. My sister have a whole box. Okay. She obviously paid for the money, but she got a whole box and we got one piece of. We ate 3 pieces in a row. Me too. And I got my water. I need to be healthy. Oh, but I still can eat it and try it. And I'm gonna change it to ranch. I'm gonna do a prank on you. But yeah, my sister not gonna be in that party that we gonna be in. Yeah, I ain't gonna be in this party. You can't help to get. You can't know. You want to get the candy bags to get candy, girl. That's a go. I know, but you're begging for my stuff. I was can I get this or can I get that? Can I get this? Can I get that? I got We shall like them. So you guys, ooh, I know y'all see that, but okay, I'm gonna give y'all a house a little tour. So I like this most. I don't know what's this from. Smell it, you guys. It smells so good. It smells good. This is the same thing, I guess. This is glass, so we gotta be careful. Look at these chopsticks. It smells super good. Oh yes, that smells so good. I think these make them smell good. Oh yes, so good. I need to lick it, see what it is. Oh, it tastes regular. Wow, I need to taste it all together. Ah, yes. Ah, so good. Okay, let's read this. As for me, plus sign, my house will serve the Lord. So, and we got this little black thing that you hold for these. So, I'm gonna show y'all my house. So, we're gonna go in the kitchen first. We're gonna go in the kitchen first. The kitchen is messed up, so do not pick at it. So, this is like what we put like basically everything at sometimes, but not that much. And then this is where we have dishwashers and stuff. This is our dishwasher, you know what I'm saying? We have this. Let's show y'all this thing. We have this high heel and the timer on it. Oh, that burns. Okay. Next one, we put everything over here. Everything. Everything like this is the refrigerator. I know y'all can see nothing. Let's look up here. We got everything up here, y'all. Let's close it. We got everything over here. Look, y'all. Everything we need. You don't need to go to the store no more, y'all. So look at this. Yes. We got these. This is a little part top. We got little parts of it. You know, we got some little paper. We got papers. I want to put the papers in the pantry because I don't think it's safe. So I think we eating like I think we eating salad again. I like it so much. It's so good. I ate it a couple times, but not that much. Now let's go for the diner room. The diner table and stuff. Look at this. Look at this. Close to the top. This what I was gonna put all his stuff at. His bike, everything. I'm not touching it. That's where his belongings at. This is the table. It's messed up because we just ate. This is outside. This is our slip and slide in our pool. If y'all can see, I think I think we can go to the next room now. We can go to the living room because it's right now it's the living room. So oh baby, how? Wait, what? Girl, you just call. Girl, please. So yeah, this is the dining table. Well, not the dining table. Okay, this is the thing. This is the coffee. Yeah, my sister did on it, so do not mind. Hello. Y'all really want to see this? Look, y'all see that? It's cute, y'all. It's funny. This is where my sister put all her stuff at. This is here. Y'all probably be like, why? Where is your mom? I never saw your mom. We'll give you a house right now. Well, I cannot show you her bathroom. She got a jacuzzi bathroom. Look at this amazing art. Now, I'm going to show you guys the bathroom. The bathroom is perfect.
you guys. And here's the camera. Here's the shower. Here's our soap. And next one, next is to close. Next one is this is our closet thing. Well, we have like two closets. Each of us have two closets. So yeah. So this is our closet right here, and we have a lot of stuff. This is the cushion. This is where I put my toys at. I have this thing. I kept it for 1 year, so do not even look at this. The remote thing. This is where our jack is at. This is where everything is here. Everything is here. Next closet, my sister closet. This is her room, but this is her closet. This is basically where she keep all her closets. I mean her covers at. Some of these are our covers. So let's go to what the laundry. So we have this laundry right here. We have a lot of laundry. We have Jane. We have I don't know that. We have this, and I really have to do it on that side and stuff. But before I show you these rooms, I gotta use the bathroom. I'll be back. I am back. Whew, that took a minute. So which one? I'm gonna take this one first. So look at this big old bed. That's why I'll be sleeping in some. Look at this dresser, TV, and this is an expensive bed right here. Especially this is expensive because look at this mirror. Mirror, no, I know none of y'all don't have no bed like that has a mirror. None of y'all don't have that. Now see, we have another closet. She keeps her clothes over here, and yeah, not gonna show too much. But next is our room. Hmm. Our room is so messy, like, so look, they were trying to, my sister was trying to say, shit and kids, so I don't know. And look at this room. We have a big old closet than the other one, so look at this clothes. We have this, and then our school clothes. And then we have like a little mirror, you know what I'm saying? A little mirror over here. So you guys can like and subscribe. Ooh. See if I can play with it. Okay, so this is the mirror. And then this is. Mm-hmm. Okay, make sure I like and subscribe to this. If y'all watching one of my videos and y'all not subscribed, y'all, if y'all watching my video and y'all not subscribed, y'all doing it the wrong way. Y'all doing it the wrong way. Reverse that and subscribe and comment. You don't even gotta comment, just subscribe and click that bell so y'all can get notifications. So y'all can watch my each video. And I'm gonna give a shout out to anybody. So y'all, it's only 5 or 4 persons I know that keep on liking my page. That is good and good and good. Some of y'all, it's not the same person. Some of y'all is not the same person. It's supposed to be everybody the same person. Everybody's supposed to be 200K people. That's on my video. It's not because my videos is lame. Well, sometimes when I don't edit, so I'm editing right now, and it takes so long to do an edit. So I am doing it right now because it takes super long. Like type of edit takes so long. So I know y'all probably be like, "Oh my gosh, I don't even know how to pronounce it, but it's taking too long." I am so sorry, like about that. Okay. But anyways, thanks you guys for thanks for thanks for what I was about to say. What I was about to say. Oh, thanks for supporting me. So this is the people. Oh, these is the people that always subscribe to my channel. This is the people that's always subscribe to my channel. They always subscribe to my channel. You know, y'all suckers do not, y'all don't even subscribe to my channel like that. And I supposed to see all of y'all supposed to be subscribing to my channel, but seems like a little bit of people subscribing to my channel is going down, and just can't take it. Just relax, and you guys, that is so sad because that is just. I'm about to cry right now because basically, hope you guys can see. Okay, I'm gonna do this. Okay. I'm editing right now, so I am so sorry for that, but I'm editing right now, so I'm so sorry. I'm gonna pause this because I'm so sorry for not talking, so I'll be back. Like, comment, subscribe, and thumbs up. Bye.